What's going on, you guys? I just did a video on how to install a very simple mechanics remote starter. One of these little guys right here that you can get at any auto parts store. Not very expensive. There's only 2 wires, very easy to install. Of course, you need to access your starter, which on this vehicle is down below. It's down underneath it down there. But other vehicles, you know, it may be up above so that you don't have to get underneath the car and all that, but it's very simple to install. It's only got 2 wires here. It doesn't matter which one you use. One of the wires goes to your positive battery terminal right there. I've got a battery charger on it, that's what that guy is, but it'll connect right there to your positive battery terminal. Then the other one will go to the starter solenoid. Here's an actual starter right here so you can see it. I couldn't really display it underneath the truck because I couldn't get a good view of anything. Like, here's where your battery cable would connect. You know, your permanent battery cable connects right here to your starter solenoid. The trigger goes to this little guy right here. And, you know, this is how it would be installed on this truck here as far as the starter. So it would look just like this. So basically, it's not the one that the battery cable goes to. Is this little guy here. And it's got a little alligator clip, and it's easiest to come from the front of it. So if you can lay down under the truck and, you know, use a little alligator clip and then just clip it to that guy right there, and it's got a nice rubber boot that covers it so that it won't accidentally touch right there. And then go turn the key on for your vehicle, and you can crank the vehicle over while investigating certain things. That way you don't have to have a helper, or you don't have to film it, you know, with your camera, which I've done so many times. Like if you're investigating no spark issue or no fuel delivery issue or various other issues that you need to be able to see it happening while the engine is spinning over. This little guy here makes it so easy. And as long as the key is turned on your vehicle, she fires right off. Just like that. And that's it. Mechanics remote starter. Use it for any vehicle. I would imagine you could use it on motorcycles too. I don't see why not. Or maybe some motorcycles, but that's what it is. And there you have it. Any auto parts store or online. But you could just walk into any modern auto parts store and they would have this probably right on the shelf. So sometimes I like to try and shop locally instead of waiting 2 or 3 days online. I like to walk right in, walk right out with what I need so I can keep doing with whatever project I'm working on. Anywho, that's that. This happens to be a 1990 Chevy K1500 with a 5.7, but that little device can work on any car. So there you go. Y'all have a good day. Check out other videos. See ya.